manipulating curves. So I'm going to demonstrate something for you. I'm going to go to the pen tool and make a really big curve. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to the selection tool, back to the pen tool, canceling it out, and then make a really small curve. Where you're at really does kind of dictate things. I'm going to go back. See, there's a preview mode and there's an outline mode. If I go to outline mode, I could see the curve, both curves at the same time. So if I go over here and use the smooth tool on this, it's going to add a lot of points. If I go over here and add or use the smooth tool on this one by first clicking on it and then going to the smooth tool, it's not going to add points. It's going to take points away because I'm zoomed out. So the point here is, you know, if I'm zoomed out and I want to kind of make a curve a lot smoother, if I zoom out and do it, it works out a lot better. Okay, so just a hint, a little tip. All right, there's another tool. It's called the warp tool. Now this one's very fun, and I mean fun in a not so fun way, but if you hold Alt and Shift, you can make the brush bigger. And you can click and drag, and now I can manipulate the curve based upon many points. This is a really nice way to just kind of get that shape down. And if I did that with a smaller one, again, that's this one, you can see it almost moves the whole line based upon if you're zoomed in or zoomed out. Now I meant it's fun because if you hold Alt and Shift, you can get a smaller version of this, but trust me when I say it's tricky. So if you hold Alt and Shift and press down and to the left, you'll get a smaller variation. And now you can manipulate smaller areas. There's also another way to do this. It's called the Reshape tool. Reshape allows you to click anywhere on a curve. Doesn't matter if there's a point or not, and then augment the curve. So here, again, if I need to select the other one, I first have to select it, and then I can use any of the tools available, unless they're joined. If they're joined, they share the same components or the same points and pathways. So if I was to take this curve and this curve, find the endpoint, hold Shift, right click and join, now they share the same components and they can be manipulated together at once. And I could use the smooth tool, smooth it out. If I zoom out and use the smooth tool, it works about tenfold better. So that is smoothing and adjusting a curve. Enjoy.